What's up, good people? Christopher with Better to Take Trades, Traders, back with another live streaming as I live trade the Nasdaq future. Hope you guys had a great weekend. I had an incredible weekend. Hope you guys spent some time reviewing and prepping for the week ahead. This week we got a lot of earnings, big earnings week. I think it's like 175 S&P 500 companies will be reporting earnings this week, so should get a lot of movement in the market. As far as what we're looking at today, we got the Nasdaq. Looks like it'll open in and out. Uh, Set up scenario up and away above yesterday's high. So we'll be looking for longs. It's basically the same playbook we had last week, last Friday. If you guys were here, looking for longs above pre-market high, above uh, the gray EMA. Um, Looking for shorts below the gray EMA, below pre-market low. Um, and if we get like a rejection of pre-market high, because we're right there off pre-market high right now. So last week we were right next to pre-market low. So um, I was looking for a price to tap that and buyers to step up. And that would let me know if the buyers wanted control today. So I'm doing the same thing today, but this one will be with the pre-market high. So if we breach pre-market high and sellers step up, then I know that the sellers want to reset for today, more than likely. Once again, this is an out and out play, so you know we're waiting for big moves. It's all or nothing with these trades. Down to the last 2 minutes before the bell, probably a minute and a half realistically. Turn on some music. See what my boy Knockout Brokers got for me today, cuz yeah, I gotta excuse me. I'm still picking the hair out. You know what I'm saying? I had a little bit of a slow start, late start today. But we still here. We still gonna handle business. All right, guys. We should be opening up in just a minute here. All right, we're gonna uh, let the play unfold in front of us. Wait a few minutes before we take any entries. Oh shit! Let me turn the light on. All right, we about to open up, guys. All right, we're open up, guys. As you guys can see, I'm not like thirsty for the bell. The I don't take a trade within the first at least 5 minutes, more like at least 10 minutes. I do like to be here at the open and have prepped, but this isn't one of those I'm attacking right at the open day trading strategies. Try to catch the move. There's a certain calmness that comes with that kind of trading as well. like I said last week, you never have to chase a play. You'll always have a chance to get in. So we do have some selling right off the pre-market high, but of course we want to see how this 15-minute candle closes before we start making any decisions on what which direction, because they can reclaim that pre-market high no problem. But so far we got some sellers up there. Now up and away. 0.4. This is here we go, pushing. See, reclaim that pre-market high. See if the sellers continue to step up. 75, 75. Sorry, I gotta update my stats, y'all. Okay. So it looks like we're gonna be going long today, as long as they can hold this. That is some strong buyers. This is that same trend line that I said broke weeks ago. I don't know why I still have it here. Why I'm still moving it. Pointless. What I say? 26%. 66. This should be last week's or the week before. This is an untested. Anyways, forget what I was saying. We're still pushing here. About to bump into that 123 extended fib. All right. Let's see if buyers can keep price above this pre-market high. Woke up this morning to Apple being gapped up, Tesla being gapped up, Amazon being gapped up. You know, those are all big portions of the S&P and the Nasdaq. So that explains the move that we're seeing here. We did also see like Meta gap down. There was a couple of other stocks that gapped down, and like Nvidia was flat. I think Google got down. I forget what the other. I think Microsoft was flat. I can't remember, or maybe Microsoft gapped down and Google was flat. But Apple's finally waking up. Amazon's finally waking up. Tesla's finally waking up. That consumer discretionary. Last time I checked, which was embarrassingly long ago, Tesla and Amazon were the highest weighting in the XLY, which is the State Street Spider um, consumer discretionary ETF. Okay, so it looks like the buyers want to hold pre-market high. We'll give it some time to really play out. New 5-minute candle. Like they're gonna want to test at least pre-market high in the candle. Reset, see if they can find some more buyers to push a little bit higher. See if maybe there's some shorts that want to cover. Yep, bouncing right off it too, sexily. Shaboom boom. Is he sexy yet? Come on now. Need to get a haircut. As y'all can see, this is a really lax. I didn't get no damn water. All right. Yeah, buyers not letting it get too far below pre-market high thus far. Oh wow, we're back down to the EMA. This is why you wait for the 15-minute candle to close. At least the 10-minute shit. I do 15 because, like I said, I'm not in no rush. I ain't in no. You're not gonna put me in no trades I'm not ready to take. But okay, and we also got that whole dollar number 17.9 down there, as well as last week's high and yesterday's high. Same, basically the same level. We'll probably retest those. See if we can hold that. This looks very bearish now. Thought we were gonna go long. See. All right, we kissed 17.9. Do the buyer step up here. Looks like we're trying to break this paper thin trend line. I think this trend line comes from yesterday's trading. Oh no, this is from Thursday's trading. But since Thursday, it's just been up. So it's not a real trend line until you have that one good reset and then reclaim. It's very bearish below 17.9. We're above last week's high too, which is that 17.9 level, which does act as significant support and resistance when tested. So if we can get below that, we'll probably come back, retest it, put it in as resistance, and go lower. But if we can stay above it, if we can hold it here and keep it support, we can go back up. Ooh, sellers trying to sell it low. Oof. Okay, 112. Let me double check. 112.25 is 39%. 287, same thing. So that's right. Yikes. The next 5-minute candle opened and they sold that hole. Alright, so we're looking for shorts. Looks like we're gonna look for shorts into the retest. We'll probably be moving this trend line all day. It's pointless to keep it there low key. Probably start looking for entries within the next 3 to 5 minutes. And now we're just keeping it cool, keeping it play. Keeping it play. I'm gonna roll up. Wow. While we wait for it to manifest itself. So at this point, I'm looking for shorts above 17.9. Yeah. Of course, this 15-minute candle hasn't closed yet, so we can still close above the gray EMA, but I don't think that's going to happen. And if we close above the gray EMA, we inadvertently close above last week's high, which would be bullish. But with the way they're selling right now, I don't see that happening. So we're just gonna be patient, wait for them to for this wave of selling to slow up, for us to get a relief bounce. Ooh, if they'll give it to us, man, Jesus. All right, we're back at the pre-market lows now. And we're just dipping, heading for that yesterday's value area pop, point of control. And the close from last week, which was just below the value area pop. Damn, you see that? You see how you have to change? I said, it looks like we're looking for longs, like a dumbass within the first 5 minutes. And then they were like, nah, you want to be probably short. But first thing I did, I quickly was like, oh, no, we're going short now, y'all. This is. All right, basically at the value area pop from yesterday. That's where most of the shares were traded. Most shares were traded in this region right here. So I would expect those shorts from earlier today to be taking profits down here. This is yesterday's fair price, basically. And as a seller, you want to be selling at a high price, buying at a fair or low price. So oof. We had extended trading hours low now. Okay, we have cleared the value area POC box. They don't want to let a relief bounce happen, but I mean, eventually they'll have to. I guess they don't have to do anything. But. All right, new 15-minute candle about to open up, and looking very bearish. So, like I said, I'm looking for shorts into a relief bounce while I continue to move. At some point, I guess this trend line will hold. If not, we just get rid of it and we go all the way back down to this trend line or this trend line. We go through all of those. Yeah, bitch. All right, new 15-minute. We would expect a relief rally sometime in this candle. So I guess you could go long right now off this candle. Might be a good trade. I'm not gonna take that trade, but I can see the rationale behind a counter trend buy here. But over here at Better Day Traders, we like to say the trend is your friend. So I'm not fighting no trends. I've lost plenty of money fighting trends. Leaf bounces. Looks like it's beginning. Like I said, I would like to see it get back above 17.9, but that's so far away now. Could still happen. I would like to see it get at least like 17.889, 17.891, around that area, within spitting distance of 17.9. What if I just never get a chance to get in? That's how they get you. They know you're thinking that. That's how they get you to chase. That's how they get you to take trades you don't want to take. It's thoughts like that. What if I never get a chance to get in? Ha 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 ha. Or really believing, what if I never get a chance to get in? What's crazy is you always have a chance. If you take pictures of your charts every day, and then you run through those pictures and just look at all the different entries, like plot out all the different possible entries you could have taken. There's always multiple chances to get in because they're always trying to stop everybody out before they make the move happen. So just wait for them to stop out more people. All right, we got these motherfuckers popping this hoe. Relief rally starting here. Price back at pre-market lows. Let's see, statistically, what's the best time to enter? I don't know. About 9:50. So it's coming up. 9:50, 9:45, 9:42 ish. And the next best time is in that 10 o'clock, 10:15 candle. Middle of either one. Trying to get it back above pre-market low. If we can get it back above pre-market low, I know they'll give me an entry soon. There we go. Can it hold? Will it be bold? Some old. What is the 66? 66. Oh wow. This hour EMA on the minute chart. A. What are y'all doing? Are y'all selling right here? Alright, y'all are trying to put this in as support. 17,860. He's in this 5 minute. That just open candle. Can't handles something else. Mantle. Dismantle. Phantom of the Opera. I'm hot, bro. stocks, bro. There they go. There they go. Sell. Do the buyer step back up here at the POC? Yeah. This would be their level. Right in this area. This would be to the next like 10 to 15 points. Last ditch effort. Damn, did I just miss my entry? Let's see. Let's read it out. Let's see. Damn, that 15-minute candle looks disgusting right now. It's your last chance, buyers, right here. That's where y'all was last time. Come on. Looked like most of those buyers were just sellers covering into the pop, like I said. Looks like these might be the same. Oh. Yo, did y'all hear about the yen news over the weekend? Price went like high or something, and then went back down. Does anybody know what that means? I don't think it's a good thing, but from what I've been reading, but I haven't been able to find anything that can break it down in its most simplest form for the kid. Know some about inflation expectations though, not grand. You got a commodity boom happening right now, so that makes sense. They like fake trying to support it here, but there's just not enough of them. I think they go lower. Yeah. I still haven't taken the trade yet, y'all. I guess I could have taken that pre-market low trade, but I wanted it higher. Wanted a better entry price. Still early too. You can still get that. Okay, it's not that early anymore. There go a few buyers. Jesus fucking Christ. Cute little joint. I mean, so it says joint shit. Fuck you talking about, gangster. I think ultimately this week we go up. I think we're trying to get to these trend lines up here. So this could be the fake out that pushes it up there, but okay, finally we getting some buyers. I could draw this trend line, but it'd be so pointless. So steep. Couldn't even get to pre-market low. Come on, y'all. Where the buyers at? Where my buyers at? Bark with me now. Where my dogs at? Y'all know about that little bow wow, man. Y'all weren't there. Y'all weren't in the skating rink. Little bow wow. You just don't know. Come on now. Stop playing with me. He was out there. Come on, do it. Come on. Come on, for me, do it. Huh? You know you want to. Do it. Push that shit. Reach that level. Trespass into the realm of the gods. So that they can slap you back down and I can get my entry, please. Push. Stop out all these shorts right here, real quick. They can step back up. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Last 30 seconds, maybe, of this candle. I don't have like a clock with a second hand on it. Tell me. There we go. New candle. Here we are. There we are. I would like to see us get into the 17,890s so that I can start looking for entries. Huh? Yeah, no? Thank you. Ugh, y'all some bitches. Just fucking get up there. Do what I need y'all to do. Let me get my entry in and then immediately do what I want y'all to do. That's all I'm asking. Oh, with the O. Got him on that. Ooh, with the O? You Snorlax. Horlaxes. Couldn't even reach 1890? I mean 17,890? For your boy? For your boy? You couldn't do it for your boy? Come on, do it for your boy. Do it for your dude. Do it for your boy. Do it for your boy. Banco de México. 200 pesos. That's crazy. Sellers have just been a little too overzealous today. I haven't been able to really get my rocks off. Like giving me the levels I really want. Come on, good. Give me that level right there. I should have just got in off that early selling that came in around 790, 890. I guess we're not even a fifth of, well, we are a fifth of the way through this candle. This 15-minute candle. Halfway through this 5. Yeah, little. Ugh, sons of anarchy. Mm, that was ugly as shiznai. Come on, Bulls, y'all can do this. Not a whole lot. Like don't overdo it, but here we go. Yeah, stop out those impatient shorts. Let me get a chance to get my patient short on. Please. For me? Do it for me. It's me. Baby. Go for it. You got it. Go for it. 890, here they come. Come on. Come on. Do that. Do that there. Come on now. Pop that, shake that, do that there. 40 minutes in, y'all. I ain't taking a trade yet. Here we go. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Come on, bust it. Come on, do that. Yo. All right, guys. Now we're starting to look for entries. That's this. I took an entry there. I think I got into some. We'll see if I get stopped or not, popped or not, dropped or not. I'm just hot or not. Oh, stop. Stop. Reattack. Reattack, retract, add. Fad. Bad. Me. Something make. Something make. What? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What? 2. What? Yeah. Girlfriend's got a big butt. Something, something, something. Battleground right here, the value area high from yesterday. The whole dollar number, yesterday's high, which also is last week's high. The EMAs, there's a lot of resistance here, but the buyers haven't given up. Buyers stepping up. I'll have to step up here again. See if they can pop that 17.9 level. See what the sellers do when we get above that 17.9 level. Do they step up and start selling heavy above that level? Do they run and hide? The way they're playing it up into that level, it looks like they'll probably sell it if it gets above. They look like they don't want to let it get above, but they probably will eventually let it get above. 9/11, 10/11. There goes some buyers there. Yeah, they want to pop that 17.9. Sellers definitely stepping up around that 17.9. Not a big enough amount of them though, it doesn't seem. .2 minutes left in this 5 minute candle, or like a minute and a half left in this 5 minute candle. Sellers are right here, but they look like the bulk of them haven't been activated yet. But the pawns out front. All right, kiss that 17.9 level. I would like to see it pop above. I just got my second stop for the day. Right there at 17.901, right on yesterday's high. Gotta take a piss. 100, when I run it, I'm the one. It is the one. See, the sellers keep stepping up. They're not very strong. They're not like forcefully. Maybe they're waiting for the end of this candle. I don't know. Oh, do we have news coming out? I didn't even check. No, no news today. The 15-minute candle, last 15-minute candle of the stream. Here goes that pop that I was looking for. It looks like there's a couple sellers up there. It's just a couple sellers up there, though. It's not even a whole lot. This is the level they battle right here. 89.90. 890, 889. I mean, 898. Whatever. This level, this area. Sellers don't want to let it get it above the 900 level, but they're not like stepping up forcefully. Just enough, just enough to push price back down, but not enough to squash the little bugs. Sellers want to keep price below that gray. Get that price back below 892, the value area high. Forcefully though, they gotta like put some pressure on these boys. I really gotta take a piss. This would be the worst time to go take a piss though. I've been waiting all morning for this area. And although I'm in a trade, I could get stopped out and be presented an opportunity at any moment, right around here. Plus, it's only like 10 minutes left in the stream. I might as well just sit here, hold my piss, and go to buyer's back. Making another run for that 17.9. A couple sellers still there. About to get a new 5-minute candle in probably a few seconds. Buyer stepping up in this new candle. Buyer's gonna run this. Buyers ran, stopped. All right, okay, now we're above that 17.9. I would expect sellers to step up forcefully. They didn't really get above it though. Sellers barely let it happen. But they didn't like forcefully step up. Hey, birds be singing some shit, don't they? It's a bird outside my window right now, warbling and chirping and cheeping. You know, all they saying is, "I got some dick for you," basically. It's like a mating call. That's why I wish I could sing. You know what I'm saying? I would sing about the dick I have for bitches as well. Here we go. Buyers up. Maybe sellers won't step up here. They're not really being that forceful. Maybe they wait for pre-market high. I think that's a bit of a mistake, but I say buyers or sellers. I'm gonna say sellers if I said buyers. Sellers just won't put their dick on the table again. It's crazy. Sellers is just kind of slowly getting ate. Buyers barely letting it get back below that 17.9. They're trying to support it here. Okay, there goes some sellers. Now you want to see some follow through. Do not want to see a reclaim or nothing like that. You don't want to see new buyers step up. I want to see price fall to end the stream. Maybe not free fall, but I'm not really trying to see price back above 898. Definitely wouldn't want to see it back above 9 forcefully. All right, let's draw some pointless trend lines, y'all. This should be called the Pointless Trend Line Show. Only because, like, all trend lines based on a 15-minute chart are pointless. Last 5 minutes. I'm gonna take a piss after this. Yeah, sellers just not being real strong here. They're like in control, but not at all. Like barely. These niggas doing just enough to get by. While I'm over here trying to make money. One of these trends is gonna get broke. One of them paper thin trend lines I just drew is gonna get broke. Which one y'all think it's gonna be? I think it's gonna be the one from below. Well, I hope so at least. I hope so. Last 3 minutes of the stream. Damn, buyers won't let this go lower. This bitch might go higher. Sellers are just kind of lackadaisical. Lackadaisical? All right, we want to see big sellers come in up here. More than that, come on, y'all. Didn't I say big sellers? Come on, kid. Oh damn, that's the end of the beats, which means we're at the very end of the stream, guys. So I'm in a trade right now, waiting on it. I took 3R around this area earlier. So if we keep going down, I'll keep making money. If we go up, I'll be stopped out. That's basically where we're at on the day. Right now, I've locked in a negative 3R profit for the day. All good. All good as long as we can get some sellers to step up here. If not, then it'll be a 4R loss day for me. When my average win day is a 5R, I'll take that. They look like they want to push this for. But I gotta take a piss, y'all. So that's the end of this stream. Been real. Thanks for watching. Peace.